Hey everybody, and welcome to Cell-fie Science, where I bring you a quick dose of science from my cell phone. I'm Jen, and today I'm broadcasting from the American Society of Plant Biologists National Meeting called Plant Bio 2016. We're actually in Austin, Texas, and this is like ComicCon for plant biologists. You get to meet new people, you get to talk to the bigwigs in the field, you get to see all the latest and greatest resources, both for the classrooms and the laboratory, and you get to just hang out and do really, really cool stuff. So communication in science is a big deal. You have to communicate your science for it to be valid. It doesn't do anybody any good to have your science shoved into your lab book in your research drawer where no one ever gets to learn the cool results. So there are two ways that people do this. One is through journal articles, like this journal here. This is the Journal of Experimental Botany, and you submit your research in a written form, and then it is peer-reviewed by a panel and published. This is the ultimate goal for all research, as journals are prestigious and permanent. But you can also do things like posters. And posters are a big science fair for professional biologists. They're done in a flat format and hung up on the wall, where you stand in front of them for about 40 minutes. And then you just sit and get to talk to people. The big advantage to posters is that instead of a paper that they read and never speak to you, you get to stand there and talk to people for 30 to 40 minutes. They can give you feedback, they can help direct your project. Maybe they have a question you hadn't thought of, and that gives you an extra bit of data that will make your project really, really cool. The other thing that goes on are talks. These are typically invited, and it's just someone standing on a podium talking to the audience about their research, typically using PowerPoint. I'm going to take a quick break, and then we'll go over to the vendor's room so you can see some of the really cool stuff that we have here. Hang on. And we're back. This is the vendor's room of Plant Bio 2016. You can see Lycor over there. We've got Conviron, they make environmental chambers. We've got some lab supplies, great big biometric sorting. Over here, we have ASPB's booth where you can learn all about their journals. And this is just a really great place for both faculty and PhD students to make connections and learn about the neat stuff that's happening right now in the world of plant biology. I hope you enjoyed this little behind the scenes look in the life of a scientist, and I'll see you next time.